Hello everyone. I would like to introduce HDLC Info Technologies Private Limited trainings and certifications in details. Our major expertise in data centers and building management security systems plus a smart city copper and fiber application including frameworks. First, I would like to elaborate the details of building management security system. Building management security systems having six modules totally, which is security principles and operations, physical security concept, CCTV system and control concept, CCTV system and control design, intrusion detection, access control system and concept, RFID and ANSI TIA 606 category copper cabling for buildings. This course will give you the capability to implement and design the complete security system for any campus, high-rise towers and factories or companies. As well as this course beauty is not only give a technical expertise as well as the marketing strategy development, how to acquire the business. In our trainings, we are building engineers to be a technical and a marketing specialist. For this infrastructures, which is huge demand all over the globe. Our second course, which is the major one, as we assume in our domain, is data centers and cloud, because data center and cloud are consist of all these technologies 14 plus. A BMS security system is a part of the data center and cloud infrastructure. So we are focusing on the end-to-end delivery to our students, those who are interested in this area to build their career. And we are offering the classroom courses, which is give you complete experience and scenarios of real-time experience with real-time professionals accordingly. So data center cloud infrastructure. Cloud, the people will assume that this is a cloud just, but behind the cloud there is an infrastructure we need to build to appear in cloud. It's not just like a four-letter word like a cloud. You can say you will assume, but there is a huge process and implementation, integration of multiple technologies under one roof, so which will provide you a complete cloud infrastructure. Cloud, it could be a private cloud, it is a public cloud, or it could be a hybrid cloud. That is different, complete business to business. But the infrastructure is required the same. Infrastructure as a services, platform as a services, you can say uh, application as a services. Now they introduce in cloud, but every cloud should have the redundancy in technology what they are used to build this one. You will get all information and knowledge about this in this course. As a project manager, as an operation manager, or as a consultant, you can build your career. It is based on your capabilities where you want to go. Other course is our document management system. It is our major part of this infrastructure we are focusing as a document management system, because every project, every operations, every initiative requires a documentation. So we will delivering this course in three categories, like a document controller, project coordinator, and document management system. And these courses will apply in any industries. Is a civil construction, or is a electromechanical, or it could be information technology. In information technology, we will use the word CMDB, Configuration Management Database System. So all this is related to the document management system. It is based on behind any application, but it should be a complete management system required for every project to run in sequence. Electrical infrastructure. Electrical infrastructure is for an electrical engineer, those who want to build a career in electrical infrastructure of medium and high voltage. We are offering the training for these two types. Now fiber optic system. This is fiber optic course which give you a opportunity in a smart city. In those countries, still the people's the government and the peoples are looking to build the country as a smart, as a city as a smart. This application or this training will be required to be a part of that project. This training will give you complete how to manage the documentation, design, consideration of all types of challenges in the implementation of this project. This is the ELV, extra low volt training cabling system, which is consist of copper, fiber, multimode, single mode, category 5E, 6, 6A, and 7. And these technologies will be going to implement in every individual high-rise towers. The requirement is this. For the purpose of this training, to be for a telecom or power over Ethernet, or a fire alarm system, or a security system, or point-to-point connectivity. This training will support a huge profile to build your career. And HDLC Info Technologies is offering the online trainings for a groups and individual as well. If any company or any organization is require a online training, a corporate, its services are available with us. and individual can contact us directly for online trainings as well. We are offering a training, and we are going to announce very soon the classes schedule. These are the numbers below. You can contact or email us for more details. And these are the details of our courses which we are offering, courses plus, trainings plus, you can say, and certification. Based on the training, we will help you to be a certified engineer in your domain. The courses details: exam preparation, data centers, telecom and low voltage. And HDLC Info Technology is a private limited company registered under MSME for trainings. For more details, send a mail or call on below numbers. Thank you.